Hey folks, today is October the 3rd. It's currently 12:45 in the afternoon. I've been waiting on a signal that checks all our boxes here, and we finally got this USD CAD pair. As you can see here, we have the scorpions stepping up, which is a good sign. We have our arrow pointing down, 2 red here. Our dot is above the market. This is a large stop. Actually, no, it'll be okay. About a 30 pip stop. Only issue we might have is right here at this level. All right, bearish, moderate. Let me take a look at one more thing. All right, because we most likely will have some support at this level right here, I think I'm going to wait for a pullback on this one. Maybe to around this level. And if we don't get it, we just don't get it. I'm not just going to jump in just to be jumping in. You can see here, 20, 17, so we should be able to not necessarily take profit before this level, but get much closer to a profit before this level if we can get filled here instead of right here, because we're basically buying right into this level of support, and obviously the market could just blow right past it, or it could react to it, but just based on what I'm seeing, it's reacted to it once already. Looks like that level's been used as resistance a few times and then support right here a few times. So definitely going to wait and see what happens. See if the market uses this level of support. All right, it's about 12:50 now. I can keep watching and keep trying to enter a trade until about 2:15 or so. Wasn't able to trade yesterday. I had an appointment yesterday morning. So this is my first opportunity to kind of dig back into it. And this is going to be our last week of trading also. Friday will be the last day. And after that, I'll give my opinion on the system itself. All right, let me go ahead and pause it, and I'll come back if we get a pullback so we can jump into this trade, and we'll just wait and see what happens. All right, guys, we just had this USD Swiss franc sell conservative pop up. Let's take a look at this one. All right, we can see the scorpions are bouncing up. We have a level of resistance right above us. Got a red arrow there. Dots right above us. Bearish, conservative. Let's go ahead and jump in on this one. This one seems to be a little bit cleaner of a setup to me. Also, let's go ahead and take a look at that previous trade. One moment. Okay, as we can see here, this was our trade from Friday. We got in right here at this level. We can see the market move sideways, never came down to touch our profit target. And it looks like our trailing stop came down to this level before getting hit right here. So we actually lost about 2 pips on that trade. So USD Swiss franc minus 2 pips. That was today's first closed trade, and we're gonna let this one run. All right, so we're only looking for about 13 pips in profit here. everything looks good just based on what I'm seeing here. So again, I'll go ahead and pause it. After this bar closes, most likely our trailing stop will be pulled down just a little bit. So I'll come back once we get some movement in one direction or the other. All right, folks, just another quick little update here. As you guys can see, we have kind of gone in the wrong direction here, starting to go up towards our stop, but we did get a diamond right here, and this is typically a reversal point. So hopefully at this level, we'll start to push down. And you can see where our trailing has started to move down a little bit to reduce risk. All right, I'll come back a little bit later. It's currently 1:30, and I'll check back at 2:15, and we'll see where we're at. All right, folks, I waited as long as I could. It's now 2:27, so I need to be leaving ASAP. But as you guys can see here, market came back down from this level, and now it's just moving sideways. So when I get back about 6:30 this afternoon, we'll see if our 13 pip profit target has been hit. Talk to you guys then. Okay, folks, I am back. It is now 7:30 in the afternoon. And it looks like our stop was hit right here. Our trailing stop did save us about 7 pips. That's if the market would have moved up, but we were taken out, unfortunately, at this level right here. Market never came down to our profit target, so we actually ended up losing about 6 pips. Unfortunate, but that's what it is. Can't seem to catch a break with this system. All right, let me know if you want me to switch this over to the 15-minute chart for the last 3 days of this test, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. If you guys want to see some 15-minute charts, just let me know in the comments section, and I'll look at trading with those for the last 3 days. All right, folks, take care.